So get ready with me today. I'm going to office, but I'm not in the mood of wearing anything formal, and there is no such restrictions nowadays. So I'm going to be absolutely informal in some sort, and I'm going to show you how I get ready. A bit of disclaimer before I start doing my makeup, and that is I am currently obsessed with some of the amazing Indian homegrown makeup products. For example, this skin tint, which is like a magic in a bottle, and it's not going to be an exaggeration if I claim that wholeheartedly. And this one is by House of Makeup, and the result is in front of you. The glow is insane, and it is able to substitute one of my previously loved skin tint by Rimmel London. And here my shade is M10. Another great Indian homegrown concealer that I am currently obsessed with is by Juicy Chemistry's cosmetic line, which is called Color Chemistry. I had already shown you how I love to use it with my fingers, because for this you do not necessarily need any brush or any other tool, because it's hell creamy, and most importantly it's very convenient to carry around in your purse because it's a stick format, and I absolutely love it. Let me tell you my shade. I'm using Bamboo here as the concealer shade. So it's a glowy base that I have opted for today. So to complement it even further, I have chosen a very beautiful creamy blush from K by Katrina. It's called Rosy Romance. Oh, another Indian brand. Oh, I'm really loving all of these products. See how beautifully and effortlessly it gets melted on the skin, and I love the finish. Well, I didn't have any plans for any eyeshadow work, but since I was shooting and this eyeshadow palette was handy for me, so I thought let me add a bit of brown to hide or conceal all the veins that generally pop on my eyelids. So that's exactly what I'm doing before moving on with the tight lining. Nowadays, every time I am trying to achieve a very natural looking makeup, and every single definition on my face needs to be natural and effortless, I go for tight lining instead of making a winged or very vibrant kind of an eyeliner looks. That's something that I'm avoiding on day-to-day basis, and this is what I generally am doing. So the combination of mascara with this tight lined eyes are something that I'm loving. I'll do the mascara later, so now I moved on with my lipstick. So for my lipstick, I have chosen this beautiful fixing tint bar from Etude House. It's a new collection from their end, and I am loving it. Why? Because if you see, it gives a very subtle tint. Nothing very exaggerated, but it kind of very suitable for every day, day-to-day makeup that we love to do for our office or for college. I feel this so good. Oh, the shade is called Clear Berry, in case you're wondering. See, I could have stopped here right now because I have almost completed with my makeup, but then I thought of adding a bit of gloss on top, and here I'm using one of my most favorite lip balms, which is a tinted version lip balm from Romand. There are few other shades that I had already shown on my channel, but this one is beautiful, and the shade is called Mauve Weep. Here is my outfit. I think I'm loving my fit. It's very comfortable, very oversized, and I really like it on those days when I'm feeling very bloated. And this is one of those days when I was feeling very bloated, but I'm quite happy with what I wore on that particular day. Let me know what you people think about this entire get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed. You all in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.